by Mario Pan racing in front. Is second by Saki Strand, followed by Wins Connection, rally outside, Save Our Queen, running by will alone this game, then followed by Cars on Fire in between horses, Bullseye. I think the winning post, Wins Connection, takes the lead by line, followed by Save Our Queen. 2 lines for about now to Saki Strand, and followed by I Love This Game. Around the outside, Cars on Fire, Bullseye, Bite of the Wind, and followed by Bloodline. Getting Personal, Tony Quater is around the outside now. As they enter the backstretch, the white horse, Wins Connection, leads by line, Kariapa. Save Our Queen running second. Saki's Friends, Nicky Bar will third. I Love This Game racing forward by the 5 lines. Here comes Bloodline, Cars on Fire, Bite of the Wind, Tony Quater, Getting Personal. Inside the 600, Wins Connection being joined by Saki's Friend. And running in third is Save Our Queen, Bloodline, sneaking and getting stronger. Inside the last 400, Saki's Friend, Wins Connection, Bloodline at the outside as they enter the home stretch. It's Saki's Friend, a long shot, Wins Connection, Bloodline moving up Barwell. Saki's Friend on the outside, Bloodline is running Barwell. It's still Saki's Friend, Bloodline. It's Saki's Friend, a long shot, Bloodline. I love this game, Saki's Friend, I love this game, Bloodline, and finally close one. I love this game. Saki's Friend, Bloodline, Getting Personal.
Big tip. At ang oras 138.4 for either I Love This Game or Saki's Friend.
At siyempre pa, pagka may ganyang photo, laging naunan mag-weigh in yung mababang numero.